Hello there, I am Dr. Paul Stoller, and this short video explains the obfuscation of science with anything that has to do with vaccines. The foundation of evidence-based medicine rests on the randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled trial, a gold standard designed to eliminate bias and ensure scientific validity. Despite this, neither the National Institutes of Health, NIH, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, nor major vaccine manufacturers have consistently applied this standard in the evaluation of vaccine safety and efficacy. In practice, so-called placebo groups in vaccine trials often receive either an earlier vaccine or an injection containing all components of the experimental product except the antigen. This is a methodological sleight of hand that undermines the legitimacy of safety claims and misleads both the medical community and the public. A simple analogy: a new vaccine is like a hamburger with everything on it. An experiment is performed to see if eating this hamburger makes one fat. But the control group doesn't get a glass of water. They get another hamburger minus the pickles, and that is called a placebo. But it clearly is not a placebo. And the results of this experiment showed that eating the hamburger with pickles didn't make anyone fatter than the control group. This is what we are up against: pseudoscience. More concerning still is the CDC's ongoing refusal to conduct large-scale comparative studies between vaccinated and unvaccinated populations. Such studies could yield critical insights into long-term health outcomes, yet the agency has persistently declined to pursue them. The work of Dr. Aaby and colleagues provides a compelling counterexample. In a retrospective analysis of 3 decades of DPT, diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus vaccine use in West Africa, using age-matched, unvaccinated controls, Aaby found that the vaccine was associated with up to a 10-fold increase in overall childhood mortality. These findings, though peer-reviewed and methodologically sound, have been systematically ignored in public health discourse. This is not merely an academic oversight, it is a profound ethical failure. Public health authorities and vaccine manufacturers have a duty not only to promote interventions but to rigorously interrogate their consequences. The persistent refusal to adopt true placebo controls and to consider dissenting evidence signals a dangerous entanglement of science with politics and profit. The medical establishment increasingly operates as an unassailable institution, where questioning prevailing dogma is met not with scientific rebuttal, but with censorship and marginalization. We are witnessing the erosion of critical inquiry in favor of ideological conformity. In this context, the suppression of data that challenge the official narrative is not only scientifically indefensible, it is morally reprehensible. The implications of this systemic corruption are far-reaching, affecting not only individual patient safety, but public trust in the entire medical enterprise. If science is to retain its authority, it must welcome scrutiny, not suppress it.